everybody, and welcome to a special Christmas edition of Try New Things. We've had another crazy year. This is really our first year, full year on the farm. Now, we did own the property at the end of November last year, but all we had was a stub of a driveway going into a fallow field. So a lot has happened. We got a lot of progress done over the year, and I've had a ton of fun doing it. So I'm thankful for an awful lot. And one thing I'm thankful for is all of you that have taken the time to come along for the ride, whether it's the RK25 videos, the farm videos, the restoration, product reviews. Doesn't matter to me. Come along, have some fun. Now, it's not too late for you to get my Christmas present. So right here, don't forget to subscribe. I'll take that as a last minute Christmas gift any day. Now, we'll probably be taking a couple weeks off over the holidays. So I'm looking forward to coming back strong in January and bringing you some more videos to watch while we get more work done here on the farm. So again, as always, thanks for watching. Much appreciated. Leave comments and questions below. And until next time, we'll see you later. Bye-bye.